You'll have to do
in the
a
middle of the
skit
night.
about him, too.
Huh?
You'll have to do a skit about him, too.
He's everywhere.
About his snoring. You almost... Oh.
I can't say anything about it snoring because I'm afraid he'll wake up and swallow me.
You're not wrong.
And then I'll have a story about how Todd Bridges swallowed me. You won't believe the story, but Todd Bridges actually tried to swallow me.
Oh,
It was kind of accidental because I tried to wake him up while he was sleeping, and he didn't know it, but he was inhaling when I woke him up, and he somehow swallowed half my body.